Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. I'm going to be doing an install for Nadula hair. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. I'm going to be installing a 26-inch lace front body wave ginger wig, kind of. It's supposed to be like a gingerish wig, but it looks a little more blonde to me, but it's still really cute. There are two combs at the side. It's a full lace frontal, and then there is a comb at the back and lace at the back as well that I don't use, but you know, it's a very cute wig. So jumping right into things, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace off in the back because I'm not going to use it, and then I'm going to go ahead and slick my hair back because I look crazy. And now I'm just going to take some of my makeup and cover the lace. I didn't bleach my knots or anything this time in this wig because I didn't feel like it. I usually don't because I don't feel like it. But by all means, you definitely can. I'm just taking the lazy way out. So when I first looked at this wig, the hairline actually looked really good, and I didn't think that I needed to pluck it, but I did wind up going back and I did pluck the hairline a little bit later outside of this video, but in the video you're not going to see me pluck it. I thought it looked good at first, but then I realized the hairline was a little thick. Now I'm just going through and separating the hairs that I want to leave out in the front for my baby hairs. So to lay down my wig, I'm just using the Got2b gel and the Got2b free spray hairspray. I didn't use a wig cap because I don't plan on keeping this wig on like every night. Even though the Got2b free spray and the gel mixed together makes it really sturdy. Like you can sleep in this and it won't lift for like a day or two. But I plan on like taking it off, so that's why I didn't do like the whole wig cap shabam thing. Like I'm just gonna lay the wig down to the front of my head and keep it moving. In total, I'm doing about 2 layers of the gel and the hairspray. I didn't want to do too much because I didn't want it to gunk up on my hairline, and I just wanted to make sure it had just enough to be sturdy. And then I'm going to go through and I'm blow drying it with hot air first, just to like heat it up so it becomes really tacky, and then I go through with the cold air once I can't take the heat anymore. Like once it becomes too hot, then I just finish off with the cold air to kind of dry it out. I don't wait till it's like completely dry. Like I wait till it's tacky a little bit, or like super tacky, and then I go and lay it down. Now I'm just going through with the comb to lay down the wig to the front of my head. You also can do this with a hot comb. Doing this with a hot comb is actually way better than doing it just with this regular comb like this. The hot comb really helps seal it to your head. Okay, after a few minutes, when I feel like it's dry enough, I'm going to go through and cut this lace off. But again, if you use the hot comb step like before wrapping your edges, you really don't have to leave your hair wrapped that long, because the whole purpose of that is just to help it dry and lay down flat, I think. But yeah, the hot comb. Just remember that, hot comb. And now I'm just going through with my hot comb, trying to like separate the wig from my baby hairs, trying to create that melted lace front look, I guess. So y'all, when I first started doing this, my idea was to do the dramatic baby hairs, which is why they look all extra and long like this, because I've been watching too many Diera videos, and I love how her baby hairs are just like thick and full and like dramatic. So I was trying to recreate that in this wig, but it didn't really come out right, so I actually wound up like changing it later. But this is just how I did my baby hairs for this video. I'll show you how I actually wound up wearing them towards the end. Yeah. Now what I'm doing is just going through and of course plucking out my part to make it a little more natural. This wig did not come with a part. It's a free part wig, which means you can part it anyway. So I just decided to do a middle part because I think I'm going to wind up straightening this hair. Now, since I decided to flat iron my hair, I'm just going to go through and speed through the rest of this because I'm pretty sure you all know how to flat iron hair. So here you go. Now I'm just putting my finishing touches on my edges, like cutting my hair and doing my baby hairs and just making sure everything looks neat how I like it. But really that is it for this video. Yeah, it was a really simple install. Came out cuter than I expected. I was a little nervous at first. This hair is very, very thick. Probably one of the like thickest densities that I've ever worked with. So that's why I recommend like plucking the hairline a little more because it's super thick. But besides that, it's really cute hair. I don't have any issues with shedding or tangling or anything like that. It's really great quality hair as always. So yeah, definitely check out this company. All their information is in the description box below.